Cover long eaves with purpose-built camera placements to eliminate hidden approach zones around your home. Place recessed or mini cameras under the eave close to the wall to keep them sheltered and discreet while maintaining a clear view of the eave underside. Use a shallow upward or downward tilt to capture the full soffit plane without creating blind spots where an intruder could hide. Select wide-angle lenses or varifocal models set to a field of view that overlaps neighboring cameras so there is continuity along the entire eave line. Aim for at least 30% overlap between adjacent cameras. Run wiring inside the soffit cavity or a dedicated conduit and secure connections with weatherproof grommets so wires are not exposed or easily cut. Position cameras at intervals determined by lens field of view rather than arbitrary spacing, and test at night with the final lighting conditions to verify coverage because eave shadows can hide small figures. Finally, mount at a height that balances concealment from tampering and sufficient resolution for identification, typically lower than a roof ridge but high enough to prevent casual reach. Common mistakes include placing cameras flat under the eave so they only see a narrow strip and miss movement behind the lip, so angle units to capture the underside and adjacent ground area. Another is using narrow lenses that leave gaps between camera views, which you fix by switching to wider lenses or adjusting placement for overlap. People also leave cabling exposed in the soffit where it can be cut or tampered with, so run wire inside the soffit or conduit and use tamper-resistant screws and sealed entry points. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners and contractors around projects like long-eave camera placement, helping us find local professionals and letting contractors find work. We also host a discussion community so we can share installation tips, product experiences, and troubleshooting advice with others.